Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Rithin. I am a PhD student in Cochin University of Science and Technology. My presentation topic is on the studies on the dietary preferences of 3 scyphozoan jellyfishes species in a tropical positive estuary, South India. The jellyfishes are cosmopolitan invertebrates that have captured the interest of humans due to their exquisite symmetry, acute toxicity, and economic significance. Scyphozoan jellyfish play a vital role in the brackish and marine ecosystem as a predator and a prey, serving as a food source for various marine organisms, including sea anemone, sea turtles, certain fish species also. And scyphozoans also engage in predation in ictioplankton and other fishery resources. The knowledge of jellyfish feeding behavior would help to illustrate their impact on ecosystems, and the study aims to reveal the gut content of 3 species of scyphozoan jellyfishes. First one is Acrometus flagellatus, second one Lignorrhiza malayensis, and third one Chrysora caliparia. And the study area is Vembanad Lake ecosystem, and study period is June 2015 to May 2018. The ecosystem is very specific, and during the monsoon season, the entire system will be fully freshwater system. So the jellyfishes will be available only during the post-monsoon and pre-monsoon period only. And during the study, we collected a total of 243 organisms. The specimens were subjected to morphometric measurements such as umbrella diameter, tentacle length, wet weight from the field itself, and the specimens were transferred to the laboratory as immediate as possible, and separate Ziploc covers, self-sealing pouches were utilized for transportation, and the gastric cavity of the jellyfish was cut open and the gut contents were examined with the help of a boom stereo microscope and some magnifiers, and the prey items were sorted out and identified up to possible lowest level. The large prey items were identified up to its genus or species level, and the smallest items sorted into groups. And the partially digested or unidentifiable items present in the stomach were grouped separately as unidentified. And here we are moving to the results. Approximately 76% of the total specimens had prey items in their gut, while the remaining 24 had empty guts. And the stomach contents examined comprised of zooplankton, larvae and adults of fishes and shrimps and some other invertebrates. In the lower graph, the details of the samples collected. A total of 164 Acrometus flagellatus we got, 62 numbers of Lignorrhiza malayensis, and only 17 numbers of Chrysora we got during the study. And the divisions are, and the we used 2 types of collection gears. One, the stake nets, it's a non-selective type of fishing gear, and the second mode of collection is the scoop nets we manually collected. Here are some photographs of the Acrometus from field and labs. Here we are coming to the detailed results. The total number is 164 numbers, and in that 128 items, 128 specimens containing prey items, and the average number of prey items per individual is 3.32, and the maximum number of prey items observed is 10. The average umbrella diameter is 14.5 plus or minus 4.2 millimeter. And these are the commercially imported items obtained from the gut of Acrometus flagellatus. I am going a little faster. The second organism is Lignorrhiza malayensis, and here are some photographs. In that, a total of 62 organisms we got. Out of 62, 45 organisms containing prey items, and the average prey content in each organism is 4.76, and the maximum number of prey items observed is 10, and the umbrella diameter of the specimens collected is average 18.24 plus or minus 4.06 millimeter. And these are the commercially important prey items observed in that. And the third organism is Chrysora calipara, and a total of 17 organisms we got. Out of 17, 12 organisms having prey items in their gut, and in this species the average prey item or the number is 9.25, it's little bigger, and the maximum number of prey items are observed in this species, it's 14, and the umbrella diameter of the organism is 16.78 plus or minus 2.17. These are the commercially important organisms recovered from that. And the dietary preference of studies scyphozoan jellyfish differed from each other, and the results emphasize their role in nutrient flow across different trophic levels. And these scyphozoans are, even though they are seasonal visitors of this backwater ecosystem, they significantly impact the fishery resources of this ecosystem.